In section 2.3, we're going to take a look at question 19. Patricia wishes to have a rectangular garden in her backyard. She has 92 feet of fencing material with which to enclose her garden. So pay attention to the units. When it says feet, it's not area, and it's fencing, so it goes around the edge, so it's the perimeter. So if you let x be the width, we need to find f, a function f of x, which gives you the area of the garden. So let's take a look. I drew that picture roughly. So if it's 92 feet of fencing and these are labeled as x and y, then this is also x and this is y. So it's 2x plus 2y equals 92. So if I divide everything by 2 here, that'll make our equation a lot nicer. So that's, wait, I don't think I divided that right. So it's 46. All right, now we need to find area, and area for rectangle is length times width, x times y, but you can't have y here because the question asks you to write the area in terms of the variable x. So we go back to this restricted equation that tells you x and y in terms of the parameter. So solve for y. Y is 46 minus x. I'm going to plug that in here. So you get x times 46 minus x. And you can leave it this way or you can distribute it. Later on, when we get into the calculus portion of the course, it'll be better to multiply it out, okay? But it doesn't really matter for now. You can leave it in either form. So I'm going to type that in here. I'm going to type in the first one where I don't multiply it out. As for the domain, remember this is a real-world problem, so it can't be all real numbers. You can't have the length or the width to be negative. So x can go from 0 all the way to 46. Once you cross 46, this value will become negative. Okay, so I'm going to pick the interval from 0 to 46. And let's check that answer. Looks good. Okay.